not typing all caps which appear you are shouting. So, madyan ka puro all caps or uppercase na nan, ang magbasa sa iyong mga receiver or yung mga nasended sa message is, sabi niya kasi hindi ka mag-chat. Mas namin pa puro all caps ang hahamahan lang sa ng call. Kaya hindi kasi hindi mo kadlaw. Imagine niya na. Next is respecting others' opinion even when disagreed. So kung may chat ka mo online na topic na muli, tapos ikaw agree siya may opinion siya. So respect his or her opinion para hindi mo mamamagin mo sa misunderstanding sa isa at isa. Hindi mo kinaway online. And then last is avoid spreading false information or rumors. Number 1, yun sa online. Hindi ka mo sige spread sa false information online. Sample, di-chat mo sa isa, classmate ka mamuni, i-chismis mo sa classmate mo mamuni. So, ang chismis ka na, gusto ng false information, wala mong evaluate, maglakta. So, if the proper naman, may ma-respect ka nga, may ma-disrespect ka matapong online. So, that is one of the dapat i-avoid at hindi tayo etiquette. Naintindihan? Gets? Question? Verification? Hello? So what are the elements of number 1? Clarity and conciseness. Dapat klaro message mag-chat ka. Hindi mabigtin, dapat verify. Hindi na. Consider na lang. Number 2, number 2. Appropriate tone and language. Dapat klaro. Language. Diba? Next, number 3. Audience awareness. Know your target audience. Sino yung chatan mo? Professional ba na? Casual friend, teachers, or administrator. You need to consider also. Number 4. Ano number 4? Choosing the right platform. Kung may message ka, dapat i-choose mo anong proper na one. If professional, use emails. If for casual or informal messaging, using the messaging applications. And last, number 5, digital etiquette. How you become respectful, safe, and consider positive digital environment. Intindihan? Gets? The question? Verification. So get 142 people. So dapat man siya so short ng time so kung always in business. And also tomorrow we have AC to work. So before we start our lesson for today, is everybody stand? Si Miss Fuentes. Ilang Miss?
As you forgive us, and bring us to the last of the last
Class.
Wala. Hindi pangita nila si Ford. Ban pa siya.
Naman. Should we give the one that is pinching my shape?
Ano, nang kuhan, tawag to. Ba?
Sino si Pearl? Na-branch at ano yung minor.